Okay, sitting here with my what's it called? Mossberg 715 handgun. It's considered as a handgun. I don't get it, but yeah, it's considered as a handgun. But I had a bullet that was stuck in there, and I had to get it out because couldn't get it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it. So and put some moist stuff in it, so it won't be jamming like that. So got my ride. Got these. Clean the inside of it. So that on it. Then got the solutions stuff to clean it. So I'm gonna clean it. Doing all that extra shit. Nah, just dip it in there. Just dip it in there. It's more simple. Okay. So what I do is screw this on there. You know what? Fuck all that. But take this down there. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Got a little moist in there. So now I can take this off. Give me a little difficult one. Give me something smoother now. Now I got this. I'm smooth. Real smooth. So take this, push it down there, go like this, push the clip trigger down, go back and forth. See? All that dirt from the damn fire. And I do have the rattlesnake. Comes with a 30 round clip. And it comes with a catcher. So anytime I'm shooting, I am worried about my fingerprints because it's gonna catch it for me. So yeah. All these guns is I got a lot of guns. These are mine. Everything is legit. All my stuff is legit. This is the handgun too. So see me in the street, don't try me. Please don't. Cause I can have this, I can have that, I can have any type of gun and be fucked. So please don't. Anyway, I finished cleaning it, wiping it down. Got a little moist in it. So now I ain't gonna dry it out. I do want to dry it out, but I'm not gonna do that. So, but yeah, I'm done. Catch me up next time with more different guns, different stuff. While breaking down, show them how you break them down, how you clean them, and stuff like that. So you'll be seeing more of me. Phil, peace out.